Zach. Good morning. Hoy, Zach, your perfume. Naglinis na siya dito. And your phone. Your phone. Charger. Okay, your phone. Okay. Good morning. So today is Tuesday. 8:40 na. Si Jen siya kasi kuya pala umalis. Sinama ni Dan na mag-golf. Kasi every Tuesday nag-golf si Dan. And kahapon, diba, pumunta tayo ng Birdside para bumili ako ng camera. Hindi ko na to sa inyo na unbox. Kasi late na kami nakauwi si Race. Nabisi na kami sa kusina. Nagluto kami ng dinner. And si Race gumawa ng brownies na sobrang sarap na sisak na katatlong slice. Tapos yung iba, tigdadalawa. Kami ni Race natira sa amin yung gilid-gilid. Which is yun naman ang gusto namin. Unbox ko to sa inyo. Backstory lang kahapon. So, bibili ako ng DJI yung hindi combo. Yung single lang kasi meron ako sa bahay. Kasi hindi ko naman dala yung bag nito. I mean, nung bag ng camera ko. So, ang dala ko lang talaga is yung camera. So, tingin-tingin ako. Tapos wala pa ako nakikitang mag-a-assist sa akin kasi busy rin sila. Tapos may nakita ko sa kabilang dalawa nag-uusap. Malapit dun sa may pintuan. Dalawa sila, babae at lalaki. Ni-raise ko lang yung hand. Tapos lumapit yung babae. Asian siya. Parang Korean ata. O Chinese. Basta chinita siya. Maganda rin siya. And sabi niya, how can I help you? Sabi ko, I wanna get the DJI. Not the creator combo. The single. So, kasi hindi ko alam kung anong DJI Osmo lang yan. Tapos nilabas ko yung camera. So sabi ko, like this one. Okay. So why? What's wrong with your camera? Sabi ko, oh, it's not working. And I just got it 6 months ago. Oh, really? Sabi niya, come on, maybe I can help you. Tapos, tinawag niya lang ako, dinala niya ako sa counter. Tapos, may sinend siya sa akin na lalaki. So, yun na yung kausap ko. Tapos, nag-thank you ako sa kanya. Sabi niya, he can help you. Sabi ko, okay. So, sinabi ko lang yung story ng aking camera na sabi ko, 3 months ago, yung screen, hindi na siya even. So, check, oh yeah. Tapos, hindi siya nagkiklik. Tapos, sabi niya, oh, it was 3 months ago. Bakit daw hindi ako, pumunta dito? Sabi ko, hindi ako nakatira dito. Sabi ko, nakatira ako sa mall. So, alam niya yun. 5. Okay, I see. And, sabi ko, it doesn't bother me before. Even the screen is not even. As long it's working. But, lately, the gimbal is not, like, spinning around. Like, basta sinabi ko, spinning around and it's not working anymore. I always have to press the recenter. Kasi pag inon mo siya, laging sinasabi recenter, hindi siya nakaka-record. So sabi niya, okay. So, pumunta na siya sa screen ng computer, tingin-tingin siya. Sabi niya, where did you get this? Sabi ko, did you get this from online or you buy it in the store? Sabi ko, oh, I get it online to collect. Sabi niya, okay, where? Sabi ko, TT Plaza. Tapos, they have the receipt. Tapos, tinignan ko yung receipt ko dito. So, parang, hinahanap ko siya. Tapos, sinabi niya na, what's your number? So, sinabi ko yung number, tinype niya sa screen, lumabas yung resibo ko dun sa kanila. Okay, so I got your receipt here. So, tingin siya. Tapos, pagtingin niya, siya, parang siya, sabi niya, oh my God. So, ganun siya. Sabi niya, can you give me 3 minutes? Umalis siya. Kasi nung nakita niya yung receipt, nakita niya kung kailan ko siya nabili. So, ilang days na yun, ilang months na yun. Tapos, pumalis siya, sabi niya, just give me 3 minutes, I'll be back. Sabi ko, okay. So, pumunta siya doon sa likod. Kinausap niya yung manager nila doon. And bumalik siya, sabi niya, you know what? You are so lucky. Sabi ko, what's the good news? Sabi niya, you know what? Today is 168 days. Sabi niya sa akin, 168 days since nung nabili ko to. So, sa 168 days daw, pwede kong ibalik yung camera pag may defect. Pwede nilang i-refund or palitan. So, alam niyo guys, sobrang nanglamig ako. And as in yung ngiti ko, grabe na, alam mo yung bibili ka tapos makukuha mo libre, tapos combo pa. So, pinalitan lang nila yung camera ko, guys. Tapos, sabi sa akin, lesson learned, if there's something happen again to your camera, don't wait too long. Kasi, if you come tomorrow, we can just send this camera sa office daw, i-repair lang. So, hindi ako makakuha ng bago. Sabi niya, you are very lucky. Sabi ko, oh, thank you, sir. Sabi ko, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Kasi, tingnan niyo combo. Tapos, sabi ko pa sa kanya, I didn't bring the bag and the other accessories for my camera. Ah, it's alright, it's alright. Tapos, tinanggal ko yung ano. Sabi ko, you can have the stand and the battery. Dala ko kasi yung battery tsaka yung stand. Ang hindi ko dala is yung microphone, tsaka yung bag, tsaka yung lens. Kasi niya, it's alright, it's alright. So, tinanggal niya pa yung ano, yung stand. So, ngayon, ang nandun lang talaga sa kanila is yung camera. Walang stand, walang battery, wala. So, i-unbox natin to. Ayan, oh, diba, bibilin ko lang yung yung hindi combo. Ngayon, nakuha natin combo. So, may extra ano na ako. May extra ano tayo, guys. Extra battery. Tapos, yung microphone natin na hindi ko pa man nagagamit. Yeah. Oh, yun, sobrang tayo. Ngayon, ang gamit ko yung kay Sisi. So, i-unbox na natin to para magamit ko siya ngayon. Hi, Baba. Is Tita Ray's?
Yeah, cooking breakfast.
Ah, cooking breakfast. Oh, is Indy there?
No.
Oh, Indy's so asleep.
Mom, did you put my squishy away?
No, I didn't, Baba. Why? Where you can't find it?
I put it in my pocket and it must have been.
Oh, maybe it's in the other. Is that the one you wear yesterday? No. Or maybe it's in the other
No,
pants.
I had it in my bed.
Oh, I don't know. It's not there.
I must have missed
Ayan.
it. Put it when I...
Bago, guys. My God. Bago yung camera natin. Thank you talaga. Ang bait nila doon. Tapos ako kasi, nakaset na sa mind ko na ano na siya. Nakapas na siya sa ano, sa ano ba? Sa warranty. Tapos, sabi ko 6 months na kasi January, February, March, April, May, June, July. O July na ngayon. So, 168. So, nilagay ko talaga sa note, 168 days. Pwede ko siyang i-return pag may defect. Sana huwag naman. Ay, may bago lang tayong camera. Guys, dalawa na yung ganito ko. Dalawa ng bag. So, nakasave tayo. Hindi tayo nakabiling camera. Nakuha natin. Ang jackpot talaga. Sobrang, buti na lang talaga sa ano tayo pumunta dito sa Burnset. Kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi sa Randall Mall, sa T3 Plaza, busy sila doon. Sa ano dito, hindi sila ganong, doon sa counter, hindi ganong kabiso, parang paisa-isa lang yung pumupunta. So, sige na, unbox na natin yung baon nating camera. Di ba, yung plano lang natin, bibili tayo ng ano, yung, hindi, ano, combo ngayon. Combo yung, ito yung, ano, yung extra battery natin. Ay, so, hindi ko na ilalabas yung ano, hindi ko muna to gagamitin kasi yan na lang ang gagamitin ko yung stand. But pakita ko pa rin sa inyo yung mga kasama nito. And si Riz nga, tinext pa nga namin si ano, sabi nga ni Riz sa akin, Manay, gusto mo magpabili kay Riz sa kapatid niya kasi nasa Japan. Tapos tinext na nga ni Riz nung isang araw, yung pagkadating namin dito. Sabi, tinext niya yung kapatid niya. Tapos sabi niya, oh, nag-okay naman si Riz, tiningnan inas lang namin kung magkano. Ang difference lang is $20. Tapos sabi nurse, ay dito na lang tayo man, $20 at least mahawakan mo. Sabi ko, tama nga naman. So $20 lang yung difference sa Japan. Sabi ko, yeah, dito na lang natin. Kaya pumunta tayo kahapon. Ay, ang galing, diba? So ito yung microphone. Tapos ito yung isa pang connect dito. So hindi ko na ito ilalabas. So extra natin to. Charger, di rin natin gagamitin kasi meron na tayo. Ang sinauli ko lang talaga, ito lang siya yung case. So, ito yung niram ko to kay Sisi. So, ngayon, meron na tayong lens. Kasi nawala ko yung lens nito. Yung pang ang wino-worry ko, sabi ko, if ever mo, hindi siya kompleto, baka sabi ko hindi i-accept kasi hindi ko siya kompleto may isasauli kung papalitan nila. Pero okay lang naman sa akin, nakunin nila lahat yun. Tapos, ito lang yung ibigay nila sa akin kasi meron nga tayo. So, ano pa ba? So, yeah, dalawa na yung ganito natin. So, ito lang ba? Yeah, dalawa na yung ganito natin. Tapos, ito yung parang balahibo. And thank you, Sisi Riz. Kasi si Sisi Riz, pinagamit niya talaga sa akin yung ano, yung camera niya, yung isa niya, yung luma niya. Tapos, sabi ko, isend mo to Sisi Riz kasi ano, pag camera defect daw, inaayos daw nila, sinisend pag hindi na nasa warranty. So baka isend to ni CC Race. Kasi tapos pinaano ko rin ito, pina-check ko rin sa kanila. Sabi ko this one is from my friend. But it's something wrong also. It's vibrating. That's why he got a new one. So yeah, oh, really? Why he didn't send it back? Sabi ko, huh? Sabi ko, yun nga. Sabi ko, I'm not sure. Tapos tinanong niya kasi ako na, kailan niya to nabili? So sabi ko, I'm not sure. Pero alam ko ano kasi na to, one year mahigit na kasi nadala na to ni Sisi sa Philippines, di ba? So, pwede pa siyang i-send ata na ayusin. Kasi hindi pa siya gano'ng katagal, 1 year pa lang, di ba? So, ayun na guys, bago nating camera. Ang saya. Ay, ano to? Ano ba pala? Yung cover. Ang kukunin ko lang dito sa cover is yung lens. Ayan, kasi yung lens ko, hala, nasan yung lens? Wala dito yung lens. Oh, where's the lens? Pero may lens naman akong ginagamit. Yung generic na yun. Bumili ako ng generic lens. Ayan, yung lens. So, eto. Pero okay pa naman yung lens ko doon. So, huwag na natin tong pakialaman muna. Kasi okay pa naman ako doon. So, ayan. So, ay, jackpot talaga, guys. Can you imagine, nakakuha tayo ng ano? After, ano na yun, hindi pa naman pa siya 6 months. Parang 5 months and 3 weeks yung camera natin. Sabi niya, today is 168 days. So, tinanong niya talaga yung manager niya, ano, ngayon yung 168 days niya. So, pwede pa ba itong i-refund? Kasi pwede akong i-refund talaga or camera. Sabi ko, ano camera? Siyempre, kasi kailangan natin ng camera. Sabi niya, you are very lucky. Tapos yung isang assistant doon, sobrang saya niya para sa ako. Oh wow, I'm so happy for you that you don't have to buy a new one or we don't have to send it back to repair. Kasi pag repair, syempre ilang araw, ilang weeks pa yan bago natin makuha. Doon, buti at saka meron silang stock kasi nagkaubusan to dito before. So buti na lang may stock kasi sabi niya, I will look if we have a stock. Tapos meron naman talaga, nakita ko na doon, pero ang gusto nga natin ko na yung isa lang. So, ibigay na natin ito kay Sisi Race. Thank you sa parent, no? Hindi niya na ito pinaram. Sabi ko, i-rent ko to, Sisi. So, pinaram niya talaga to. Thank you, Sisi. Ingat na ingat din talaga ako dyan. Nangingirig kasi siya minsan. Minsan lang naman, hindi naman every time. So, ibabalik na natin. Ito yung kay Sisi rin to. Kasi, ang gamit ko dito, yung ganito ko. Since kahapon nga, sinurrender na natin yung camera. Tapos, eto. Kaya, hiniram ko muna to kay Sisi. Ayan yung lens ni Sisi. Sa car niya to lagi eh. Okay, ililipat ko na kayo dito. Ilipat ko na yung SD card. Okay, thank you JB ng Burnside. So, na-fix na natin. So, okay na dito. Wala na tayong naiwan. Nandito na sila kuya. Kararating lang. Naliligo na dyan si kuya. Ayan, dito maayos na rin. Ayan, ito yung basura sa toilet. Baba ko na ito. Ito yung luto ni Sisi. Oh, thank you, sis. Swipe from right edge to adjust exposure. Ayan, ano na pala guys. Gamit na natin yung bagong camera. And tinulungan na tayo ni Sisi mag-setup nito. Kinapit ko lang kung ano yung sa kanya. Swipe to exposure. Yeah. Bakit? Umiyak siya?
Nakaupo lang siya doon.
Ano to, be? Hala, in-accept ko lang. 19.
Oh, yeah.
Anong gagawin ko? Accept?
Same, accept. Yeah, same number mo.
Accept. So, may ganyan kasi siya.
Okay.
Agree. Okay na?
Ayun na, naka-on naman.
So ano tong
Swipe from right to it. Yeah,
Ito?
parang sinasabihan ka lang na ano, paano gawin kung mag-adjust ka na
Adjust ka.
exposure.
So,
I-press mo lang.
Okay. Okay na, thank you. Kain na ako, babe. Kain na ako kasi. Kaya gising lang ni Arlo. Tapos na yung dalawang kumain. Kain tayo, guys. Sarap ng sabaw, babe. Mauna na ako kasi si Jan. Hindi naman, nag-ano lang siya, nagtatanong lang siya kung anong gagawin ko sa kakain lang. May training din kasi mamayang hapon ng mga bata. Tapos si Jan yung magte-training sa mga bata. Kasi si Willow, diba, siya yung coach, si Jan assistant. Si Willow nasa Yamba pa. So si Jan ang magte-train sa mga bata mamaya. Oh. Alis na kami, guys, tapos na kami kumain. Wag ka maano mo yung camera. Let's go.
This one?
Oh, you found coins.
Alright,
Ayan na yung ano ni. Did you say thank you to Tita Rice for your ano baba doggy? Hindi man tutong dog, at least natupad.
Shoot it.
Oh, you're gonna be rich.
Lots of money. How much money do you have now?
Can I practice Ate? See you. See you next time. Huh?
5?
Love you.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of money.
Oh, you can also. Watch it.
Thank you so much, Dad. You're welcome.
Anytime.
Thank you. Dog, titi dyan. Gamitin natin yung bangin ng camera, guys. Oh, yeah. Mag-click ko naman siya. Bye-bye.
Guys, I say to the boys.
See you the boys now?
See you later.
Say bye, Tita Jan. Kagigising niya lang.
Next one. Say Raz. Thanks, Raz.
Thank you so much, Dai. Uy, B, ilagay mo na to sa car mo. Kasi yung lens nandito.
Hello.
Bye.
Who's your best friend?
Who's your best friend? They're going, come on. Gusto niya magpahabol pa sa mga kuyas. Oh, we're going na, Baba. Wala ka ng ka-fight.
Who's your favorite?
Wala, gusto niya talaga makipaglaro pa. Bye, dong. Come on, bye, dong. We're going now. Dong, boy, let's go. Bye. Totoo na talaga to. Uwi na kami. Oo. Doon sila. Ayun talaga na yung you got?
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. Parang ano na. Stop. Oh!
Zach, you get a charger?
Si Arlo kasi. Ayaw talaga ni Arlo. Arlo! Ayaw ni Arlo. Tumatago talaga siya. Did you say bye-bye to Tita Ray? Bye, Arlo boy!
See you soon.
Back to school now? Hi, Dong! How about me? Tita Manoy! Tita Manoy! Tita Manoy! See you soon? Again? Huh? Okay? Oh! Ayan na, nagag na. Ay, at least. Oh, nag-ano lang muna siya, nag-warm up.
Tapos nag-crocs pa.
Crocs pa. See ya, boy. See ya, ate. Oh. Bye, ate. No, it's not. Bye, boy. Bye, kids.
Yeah, wait. Stand up.
Bye. Did you see Arlo what he's doing, huh? Yeah, why you got that?
Really?
That's new.
Yeah, if anything goes wrong, just press the button, find out what it is.
Ay, ito, isa pa sa mga pinagawaan niya sa car. Ayan. Daming ano nito, daming pinagawa niyang accessories dito sa
So your
sa car.
that thing's wrong.
Wow.
The 53.
What, 53?
But the
Okay, again, thank you Race and Dan and the kids. Sa pagpastay ulit sa amin, as always. Okay, wala tayong naiwan, Baba. You got everything? I think we did. And I'm so happy may camera na ulit tayo. So, hindi ko ginamit yung lens kasi ito yung gagamitin ko. Kasi okay naman siya. O kaya, kunin ko yung original. Tapos ito, ilagay ko doon para may case yung aking lens at DJI. No? We'll see. Para uniform. Uniform na DJI ng lens din ang gamit na. Kasi ito, nung nawala yung akin, tapos nahanap ko ulit, tapos nawala ulit siya, ito yung binili ko na lens. Okay naman siya, diba? So, what time is your training? 4:30 daw ang training ng kids. So, what time we will be home?
It's meant to be raining.
Meant to be raining.
No one will probably come.
Well, they have to.
They have to, because you have game on Saturday.
If it's like real bad, can we just go on the gym?
No?
Why gym? Yeah. What you gonna do in the gym? Eh, nag-order pala ako sa Amazon ng katulad kay Race na ano, na case kasi mas secure yung gimbal ng DJI dun kaysa dito sa ano. Case. Nasaan yung case? Dala ko ba yung case? Okay, hindi natin nadala yung case. Patay. Ayan, dito. Ayan, mas eto kasi natatouch niya pa rin yung gimbal kahit nakalagay siya dito. So yung kay Race, hindi, as in secure na secure talaga siya. Kaya nag-order na tayo. In-order ko na siya sa Amazon. So hopefully dumating next week or yeah. Okay, drive na muna tayo guys and baka mag-work din tayo, mag-edit ako kasi 3 days tayo, hindi na naman ako pag-edit. Dito kami sa OTR Shell. Pagas lang yan si Kuya Kwa na drink. Napangiti ang kuya ko. You're cold, Baba? Nakalimutan kong ilabas yung jacket niya kasi nag-impake ako kanina. Tulog pa siya. Ayan lang yung dalawa. Wala siya na yung drink. Hala, walang water.
It's shake when you drink.
I still have it here. Yeah, I got water. Huh? Okay. Uwi na tayo. Kapag pagas na. What do you call that?
Exhaust.
Exhaust. So yun.
There she goes now.
Ha? Oh. Exhaust yung ano niya, pinalagay niya, pinabalik niya doon. Tapos pag furnace niya yung ano, yung gas, as in yung talagang todo, ang bilis ng car. So yun yung pinalagay niya ulit. Kasi nakalagay na yung dati nga. Nung umalis tayo, nag-caravan life tayo, tinanggal yun. Kasi may pinaayos din siya. It's gonna be busy, no? Just back to work. Wait, next week? Back to school na, kids. You're back to school next week.
Yeah, but we're going it soon.
Ha?
Yeah, we're going to Queensland soon.
Yeah. Tapos alis na naman.
This is where you go.
Yeah, dito tayo. Diyan kami. Burnside. Mas maganda doon sa kabila. Yeah. Diyan tayo. Galing dyan. Galing yung camera natin.
I found God on the side of the road in a two-door Chevy when she was whispering softly in my ear, then screaming to hold the wheel steady, and I heard her, Lord, and she heard me, putting moments in.
Daming cows guys. So ayan yung truck ng cows. Dalawang palapag. Ang bigat siguro nito i-drive. Why?
'Cause after 18 years of waiting, dressed up with nowhere to go, well, I told some girl I loved her at the party after the show, and I kissed her, Lord, and she kissed me. We were just two kids who didn't.
Yes, there is.
Dito na pala kami sa kids. Si Jan tsaka si Kuya kukuha silang makakain. Kasi kaming tatlo busog. So sila lang.
Coffee and same as last time, right? Yeah.
Also,
Guys.
Well, that's too much, huh?
Oh, yeah, well, better than coming back.
Okay. Pinik niyo na naman yung nunal niya. Zach, look at your face. Look at your mole. That you always pick. I told you that's your warning, Zachary. Pinpick niya. Nag-dry na siya. Ngayon, ang pula-pula naman. Siguro, ewan ko. Sabi ko, hindi pwede kasi delikado yung nunal dyan. Dito, pag ilang beses ko na siya sinasabihan, hindi siya nakikinig. And, pinaparam to sa akin ni Z. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko naiwan. So, text ko si Sisi. Baka naiwan ko yung isa somewhere sa bahay. Kasi, ginagamit ko din to sa baba. So, baka linapag ko. Kasi isa lang. Or baka nandito lang din sa hanapin ko pa. Pero pag hindi ko nahanap, we'll see kung mahanap natin. Kasi kay Saki to eh. Pagagalitan ako niyan. Pag check ko, walang laman. Isa lang. Isa lang. Oh. Itong right lang. Alright. Ko lang silang pagkain. And after dito, dire-diretso na. Ang daming cars ngayon sa as in, very unusual na laging madaming cars papauwi or papunta doon sa Adelaide. Ngayon sobrang busy dahil siguro school holiday. And maraming ganap ngayon sa Adelaide din kasi. May rugby, tapos mayroong show. Kaya siguro ganun din. Ayun na yung mag-aama. Si Holly kumuha lang siya ng lollies. Nakikita ko may dalawang bags na lollies din. Si Kuya. Ay, nagsusushi na si Kuya. Nagugustuhan niya na. And si Jan, sandwich ulit. And potato cakes. Pero nisak dito lang sa car. Yan, drive na ulit tayo. And kumakain na sila ng lollies. Si Jan din. Pythons ulit as always. Bye! What else did you get, Baba, aside from snake? That again?
push pop.
Push pop?
And there's 3. 1, 2, 3. But you've never had 4.
12:35 na. 12. So what time we will be there, Han? 4? 3:30? 3:30. Bahay na pala kami. Kanina pa actually. I did the laundry and then nakapag-fold na rin ako, guys. Nasampay ko na yung mga nilabhan ko.
And she took everything out the luggage.
Yeah, and then unpack. So, and boys,
Footy training.
yeah, nag-training na sila. So, i-hold down namin yung kanyang mga napamili. This is all yours. Napunit na yung yung Zara. So, binigay ito ni Sisi. I'm not sure. Just gusto niya kasi i-hold yung mga nabili niya sa Zara. So, eto mga nabili niya is for summer. Mostly for summer. And naka-sale siya. So, binili na natin para sa summer. Wala na akong problema sa kanya. Kasi yung mga damit niya, madami na tayong na-declutter. Alright.
So, everything's from Zara. I got this Coromeo
Okay.
t-shirt. Then
Tanggalin ko na yung tag.
And then I got New York, and it's a t-shirt one too. Well, it's like a singlet kind of. And I like this one.
Alright.
There's a little heart.
Give it to me. Okay, you do that one.
Then I got this one. This one says USA with the little star. It looks big for me, but I need to grow into it.
No, it's
Well,
okay.
like it fits me,
12 to 13 kasi
I'm gonna grow fast.
I'm gonna grow.
I
No,
will.
it's
Watch out.
what you call this? Yung parang ano siya, yung loose lang yung kanyang
Like for my TikToks.
from my TikTok. No.
And I got this white top singlet. It's just like my other one with this t-shirt one, but this is a singlet one.
Yeah.
And this one,
Yeah, meron na siya nito, di ba?
but it's a t-shirt.
Okay. Yeah.
I've got a whole bunch. I've got this one, this grey top. Mom, this is a size.
6 to 7. Yeah.
It's like a crop top.
So, iba-ibang size kasi yung iba maliliit, yung iba naman tama lang. Excuse me.
I also got a couple of jumpers too. And then I got this green. This is my mom's favourite colour.
Not really, not this kind of green.
White green.
Oh, light. Well, my
What
favorite
about
is
two?
I like white and Tiffany color.
And then I got this jumper. I have more jumpers.
Itatanggalin ko rin yung mga tags kasi makatito.
This is a hot pink.
Yung, eto ba? Alright, so mayroon siya mga jumpers.
Get a whole bunch out, Mom. Okay, so we also got another jumper. Another jumper. This is size 12 to 13 too. This is warmer and it's really warm, guys. This one says New York Lexington Avenue, ready to, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And I got, oh, I thought that was good. I've got this one, 9 to 10.
So same lang white. That's the same, the white one.
Yeah, but it's in black. This one. It's also plain as well. I got this t-shirt. This dark, is that dark blue?
It's like, yeah, it's like black or blue.
It
Yeah,
looks dark blue.
yeah.
I also got this dark blue stripe,
Oversized.
white, like dark blue stripe and or white stripes. Then I've got this jumper. I like this jumper. I found this t-shirt in the kids section over on the other side. And if I found something matching with this one. And this one says, well, I can't read that.
You don't have to. Saint
I can't read this.
18?
Get this jumper. It's oversized. This is also 10, oversized. And guys, I love Stitch. I love Stitch. It's my best. I haven't watched the movie though.
Oh.
It's Stitch. It's Lilo and Stitch. If we don't have Disney Plus.
Is that
What about that other one?
this one?
Yeah, there's one. Yeah, they're on. I got shorts for the summer too, as well. Wait, is this shorts?
No, skirt.
Yes, it's a skirt. And,
May reason bakit
and
kinuha ko yun.
obviously I'll wear black shorts under this. These are nice. They're like little hearts on them. It's nice. I've got this. It says, got this one, and it says, what's the star supposed to be there for?
Malibu Beach. LA.
LA.
Yeah.
Malibu Beach.
Malibu Beach.
This is kind of like a crop top, Mum.
Yeah.
I also got this one, My Melody. Oversized. My Melody. My Melody is supposed to be pink, but this one's the red one. And I got a baby blue jumper because I like baby blue. My favourite colour is baby blue.
I hope you're not. I think you're gonna change one day again. We should keep changing.
Do you keep changing?
Like before, pink, purple, now blue.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep as blue. I'm gonna keep it as blue. And I got this. Wait, is this the one I said?
The same as different
Yeah,
color.
this is, wait. Yeah, this is the one that I said matches with this jumper. Because it's just a bit brighter. Mum, do you want me to show you yours? Wait, what about, can I get my other stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Meron
Oh,
siya.
there's a tag.
That's from
I
Uniqlo.
bought, Mum, there's some clothes here for me.
You still have some? Dito pa pala.
There they are. Oh, Mum, not this one. Because I already had that. I
Yeah.
didn't buy that. I bought that last time.
Ito, another stitch.
Mum, is this mine?
Yeah.
When did you get this? I didn't even know you got this. Okay, I've got this one. It's like a highlight yellow. I think it's-
Neon color.
Yeah, neon. That's what I was supposed to say. I don't even know why I said highlight. I got this one. And if I get lost, my mum will find me really easily in this colour. Because I'm too bright.
That's right.
I also got this one. USA too. This is like wide. It's a size 9 to 10 too. Yeah, 9 to 10 as well. Wait, no, this is the one that I said that matches with that jumper. This one, it matches with this jumper.
Oh.
This one, I got confused. I was like, because I didn't have any more clothes, I thought. I got this one that's gonna be matching. There you go.
Ang kapal ng etiketa, matigas.
I picked these shorts out. There's like stars there. Yep. Mid-waist shorts. I've got this, this looks like Korean, kinda. This is also baby blue. Looks like Korean. Yeah, I'll move this tag out the way. Yeah. 6 to 7. Some 6 to. I'm normally 8 to 9, but 6 to 7s also fit me.
It depends.
I've got these shorts too. These are nice shorts. I love these ones.
This is a skirt, like skirt and short.
Oh my god, I keep getting confused. And I got this one. This nice black
T-shirt,
with.
oversized t-shirt.
This is also an oversized t-shirt. It's a blacker top with baby blue writing. I like that one. Okay, this is the one I bought with my own money.
Okay. From your gift
Peter
card.
Alexander, obviously. Peter Alexander is my favourite place to get tickets. I got baby blue. I got baby blue PJs. Here, I'll open it up. This cost 70.
You don't have to tell that
I
one.
don't even know how much. But I had $50 on my gift card. I had to use 2 gift cards and I had to use 2 gift cards and 2 paper money. So, it's silky. I love this one. And it's not that big, the Peter Alexander, like the other ones.
Okay. What size you got? 8 to 10?
No, size 10.
Size 10,
Yeah.
okay.
You told me to get that
Yeah,
one size.
because
And guys, it's so silky and it's so shiny.
ganda. Gustong-gusto niya yung Peter Alexander na.
Yeah, Alexander's good.
Madami na siyang, ilan na kayang pairs niya?
I'm gonna keep this box. It reminds me of something.
Oh, it reminds you of something. Okay.
Mom, what about my other stuff in that bag?
Okay.
The matching one?
Yeah.
I'll be back. Let me get this.
Tapos natanggalan ko na siya ng
I need to make sure they're lined up.
Is that mine, I think? Okay,
That's
just you
like
can
the-
do a haul about that one too.
Okay, I'm just gonna do yours then.
So, sa Uniqlo, may mga nakuha tayo na pwede kayo mag-matchy-matchy ni Holly. And
And
sa
the
kid,
chocolates in here.
yeah. It's a kid size.
Yeah, it's kid size and it fits my mother.
Yeah, 13. Yun yung pinakamalaki sa kids.
Okay, so this is my mum's. Wait, is this? This is yours?
Yeah.
That's my mum's.
Size 13.
We got the same. We're matching.
Yeah. Ayan. Machi-machi kaming dalawa.
And guys, as soon as I put this on for like 10 seconds, it already warmed me
yeah,
up.
very warm. Uniqlo.
She said that this is a nice choice.
Yeah, the girl said it to us.
I got, wait, this is might be yours. This is my mom's. He got this white one. I don't even think.
Yeah.
We didn't get matching one of these. Yeah.
Yeah, they don't have
Yeah. And
for you.
Yeah.
Walang size. Kaya, wala siya. And nagustuhan ko yung kulay niya. Kasi
Yes.
oatmeal lang. Simple lang ang kulay.
We got matching one of these. I've
Stripes.
got this one. Well, I think.
Yeah, you got the
But
other
that
from
that's
Sarah.
like knitting, like
Knitted.
there's knitted.
Oh,
Like it's like that.
That one, yes.
Yeah, but this one's not.
Yeah,
This
very
one
soft.
keeps warm.
Yeah, very soft.
Like so
Galing
soft.
na mag-describe.
That one's mine, and then this is my mum's. We're also matching of this one too.
Yeah,
Stripey.
machi-machi kami.
Do you want me to do yours, Mum?
Okay, is that it? Okay. So this is mine. From Zara.
It's like
So,
it's like mine.
yeah, so machi-machi kami kaya kinuha ko yun.
Yeah, it is
sa kanya.
matching.
And more shorts. And
There
And-
was two Zara's.
etos, ano naman to?
Skirt.
Skirt. And
It matches with this
ito
one.
pa pala.
Matches
And
with this.
yeah, well, this is cream, this is white. Pero iba naman yung ano niya, iba.
But it kind of matches.
Yeah, maganda yung
with the
shorts na to
rips.
kasi hindi kita yung bilbil mo. Same this one. Ayan, my God, size large na ako,
Ma,
guys.
here, pass me the
Wala kasi
scissors.
siyang garter, so kailangan natin may konting allowance. And, what's that, Baba?
Where's the scissors? I'll cut the tabs off.
This one, skirt. Meron ako dito yung isa, yung parang army color
It's like
or
mine
brown.
too.
Ah, mocha. So this one is cream, so meron din. So yan
It's
lang
like
naman.
mine.
Yan lang naman nakuha ko. The rest is kay Holly.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got most out of everyone.
Okay, so yan yung ating napamili sa kanya. Para ready na siya for summer. And yung iba dito, dadalhin namin sa next getaway.
Oh, why is it not cut?
Ako na. Okay, yun na guys. We're gonna close our vlog. Thank you. And now, naninibago ako sa screen natin kasi nga, perfect na yung screen. Hindi na siya crooked. So, again, thank you guys. Please like.
And please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you
you
on
on
our
the
next
next
vlog. Good night.
Anong good night?
Well, it's
Is it
still like afternoon, but
Yeah, good night.
yeah, good night.
Okay, bye guys. Ayusin ko lang ito. Ang dami naman namin ipaput away. Which is okay lang din kasi nga wala
We're
nang...
gonna empty out my.
Yeah, I already empty your other one. The cabinets there.
Oh yeah, we can put all of them.
Yes. Kasi
I
na-empty
can't
ko na
be
yung...
bothered doing that one. That's too full. And most of it already fits me.
Yeah, so nag-empty na ako sa kanya. Nag-declutter. So yun na guys. Thank you. Bye.
Bye guys.
Because I think I do want you next to me.